How to use Reddit's dark mode. Tired of bright white screens while browsing Reddit? Let's switch to dark mode, easy on the eyes and super stylish. On desktop, go to www.reddit.com and log in. Click your profile icon at the top right corner. Look for the dark mode toggle in the menu. Click to turn on. Reddit will instantly switch to the dark theme. On mobile app, open the Reddit app and log in. Tap your profile icon, top left on iOS, bottom right on Android. Tap Settings. Scroll to Dark Mode. Toggle it on. Your app will now be easier on the eyes. Pro tip: you can also set dark mode to follow system settings so it switches automatically at night. And that's it. Dark mode on Reddit is now activated. Scroll comfortably and keep your eyes happy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.